Renowned Assamese film actress and popularly known as the drama queen of Assam, Prastuti Parashar gave an exclusive interview to Hornbill TV on Monday evening during her stage performance at Kanishkuri, Guwahati. Prastuti Parashar is a celebrated Indian actress from Assam, well known for her remarkable work in Assamese cinema and theatre. She has appeared in several critically acclaimed and commercially successful films, including Tumi More Matho More 2000, Suren Suror Putek 2005, Ramdhenu 2011 and Doordarshan Iti Chandra 2016. Currently, Prastuti Parashar is also the owner of Abahan Theatre, one of Assam's most successful mobile theatre groups. She has played a major role in popularizing mobile theatre culture across the state in the recent years. Speaking exclusively to Hornbill TV, the actress expressed her deep sorrow over the demise of legendary Assamese singer Zubin Garg.
इस वक्त मेरे साथ बात करने के लिए जाने माने एक्ट्रेस यानी कि आसाम की फेमस एक्ट्रेस प्रस्तुति पराशर जी हैं, उनसे बात करने के लिए आए हैं। प्रस्तुति जी, इस समय आप लोग बिजी है थिएटर में और आप लोग दूर दराज में जाएंगे, आसाम की विभिन्न जगह में जाएंगे थिएटर करने के लिए, और इस बीच में आसाम के लीजेंड सिंगर जुबिन गार्ग भी देहांत हो गया, तो उनके लिए आप उनकी मृत्यु को आप किस तरह ले रहे हैं?
For all of us, it's a great loss to the entire Assamese people. Not exactly only for Assamese people, it's a loss for the world. And Zubin Garg was not a mere singer, he was a very good human being. He lived his life for the people. He loved animals, he loved the nature, and he taught us so many good things actually. And his creations will always be fresh in our mind and our soul forever. And he was a very close to my family. He was like a brother figure to me, and we are all very saddened by the demise of Zubin Garg. We pray to God, may his soul rest in peace, and the next generations should always try to live with his directions which he gave us, and that's it. It's a great loss for us actually.
और उनकी मृत्यु की वजह से, जैसे कि आप लोग थिएटर में जुड़े रहते हैं, आप लोग फिल्म पे जुड़े रहते हैं, क्या आप लोग थिएटर में अभी इम्पैक्ट हुआ है?
Obviously that's an impact, it's a huge impact for Zubin's loss. We stopped our shows for 5 days after his cremations, and then we started again. But there is a mass depression actually in every Assamese people, in the mindset of every Assamese people. So we all are now seeking for justice, and not only in our field, in every forum there is a vacuum in every forum. So people are still waiting for the justice. People are still within the grief of losing our beloved heartthrob. So everyone is facing the same thing actually.
और प्रस्तुति जी, ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आप तो एक थिएटर भी चला रहे हैं, जितना हमें मालूम है कि आबाहन थिएटर आपका आप लीड लेते हैं, तो एक थिएटर चलाना, जैसे कि आप एक्ट्रेस भी है और आपकी को आर्टिस्ट भी रहता है, एक पूरा टीम को आगे लेके जाना, ये कितना चैलेंजेस है आपके लिए?
It's a big challenge actually, playing the double role in your real life. I'm playing the main lead actor along with the production and management. It's a very tough job, but thank to God that the people around me are so efficient. The managerial team, the workers team, the actors team, the junior staff, and everyone is so cooperative and very, very sincere actually. And I think when the captain is sincere, everyone gets the sincerity. So that's how we are running Abahan Theatre. It's been long, 5-6 years, from 2019 I took over this responsibility, and from that time it's been running very successfully, and it's all about the teamwork actually. If the teamwork is good, you are successful.
और एक चीज़ है कि जैसे कि आप फिल्म में काम कर चुका है, और फिल्म और ये थिएटर क्या अंतर आप देखते हैं?
There's a huge difference. It's one is a very direct connection with your audience, and one is indirect form of acting. And moreover, there is a vast difference between amateur dramas and mobile theatres. So it's not very easy to say you in a few words actually the whole difference, but it's a huge difference between both the genres.
प्रस्तुति जी, मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको ड्रामा क्वीन कहा जाता है, असम के लोग भी कहते हैं, हम लोग को भी मालूम है, क्यों ऐसा?
It's a privilege actually. I was playing a character called Moharani, and from that point of time people used to call me Moharani, and it's a huge honor from the audience, and it's a very inspiring factor that a character, if the name of the character is being written for you, it's a huge privilege actually. I feel so honored, I feel so inspired, and it's all about the audience love. That's it.
थैंक यू सो मच हमारे हॉर्नबिल टीवी पे बात करने के लिए प्रस्तुति को। मैं ये प्रस्तुति पराशर जी का जो ग्रीन रूम है, यहाँ पर उनकी मेकअप चल रहा था, उसी समय हमने हमारे टीवी चैनल में उन्होंने बात किया। मैं गुवाहाटी से नोबल चंद्र राभा, हॉर्नबिल टीवी।